Hi, I'm Dr. Christine Sauer and welcome. This course is designed for people that want to help themselves, people who want a clear, calm structure to support gut health without overwhelm. Here's what I want you to hear right at the start. You do not need to do this perfectly. In fact, perfectionism is one of the main reasons people quit. Your job is simply to follow a sensible sequence, observe what happens, and make gentle adjustments. This is an educational course. Let's be clear, this is not medical care. I'm not diagnosing or treating any diseases here. And if you have severe symptoms or complex medical conditions, or you take prescription medication, please work with a licensed healthcare professional before making significant changes. Now, this course is built around a simple four-phase logic that creates a very effective gut restoration protocol. Week 1 talks about removing major disruptors. Week 2 is about calming inflammation. Week 3 is about rebuilding and nourishing. And week 4 is about maintaining what works long term. You'll also see me emphasize something that's surprisingly powerful: pacing. If you go too fast, your body can push back. But if you go at a steady, gentle pace, you usually get better information from your body and better results. In the next lesson, I'll explain who this protocol is for and who should slow down or get support. And then we'll walk through the plan step by step. Now, take a breath. You're in the right place. Let's begin.